Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Reti and Roberto Grau. This game was played in London in 1927. Reti had white pieces and he started with c4, the English opening. Very suitable, because the game was played in England. Just kidding. No, I am not. c5, symmetrical English. Knight to f3, knight to f6, d4, d5. Is that symmetrical or is that symmetrical? C takes on d5, c takes on d4. Queen takes on d4, queen takes on d5. Very interesting position, isn't it? How would you continue now? Reti played a knight to c3, attacking the queen. Should black play knight to c6 or queen takes on d4? Queen takes on d4 was played. What will happen if knight to c6 is played? One line goes like this. Queen takes on d5. Knight takes on d5. Knight takes on d5. And black has no target on d4. Back to our game. Queen takes on d4, knight takes on d4, a6 preventing knight to b5, white to move, g3 intending bishop to g2 and applying the pressure on the long diagonal, e5 attacking the knight, knight to b3, knight to c6, bishop to g2, bishop to d7, and Reti castled king's side. Bishop to e7, bishop to g5, Roberto Grau castled king's side. Black is not doing anything wrong, is he? Rook from f to d1, rook from f to d8. White to move. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Reti played the best move. Bishop takes on f6, removing the defender of d5 square. G takes on f6, knight to d5. Black's position is difficult to play. Rook from a to b8 was played. If rook from a to c8, then knight takes on e7, and after knight takes knight, bishop takes on b7. Back to our game. Rook from a to b8 was played. White to move. How would you continue now? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find this awesome move? Knight to c5. What a brilliant move. King to f8. If black plays the obvious move, bishop takes on c5, then the pawn on f6 has no defender. Knight takes on f6 check. And after king to g7, knight takes on d7, and white is winning. So, Roberto Grau played king to f8. White played a move, and black resigned. Believe it or not. And the move is knight to f6. Black resigned. One line goes like this. Bishop takes on f6. Knight takes on d7 check. King to e7. Knight takes rook. The rumor says that after the game, Roberto Grau was staring at the ceiling for a long time. His friends approached him and said, "You made no obvious mistake, and you must be wondering, where did you go wrong? Is that true?" Roberto Grau answered, "No. I was wondering if I should have chicken or beef for lunch." What do you think of his choice? I mean, what do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.